Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to fix yellow border on Windows 11. So the yellow border around your screen, often seen during screen sharing or when using certain apps like OBS in a secure feature. So what you could do is, first of all, you could try disabling any sort of third-party application installed to your device. So you could go to the control panel and uninstall such programs. After which you could then try using it at your laptop and see whether the issue has been solved or not. Despite that, if the issue still persists on, you also want to come to the Windows tab once again, go to the search panel and here type in settings. Then click open. Once the settings opens up, here you want to go ahead and click on accessibility from the left hand side corner of your screen. Over here you want to first of all go ahead and scroll down to make sure that the narrator is turned off or this is toggled off. At the same time, you want to go back and here you want to come to this contrast theme and make sure that this is selected to none. Once you made sure that these options are disabled, then if the issue still persists on, you also want to do is scroll down right to the bottom and then go to screenshot borders. If you find screenshot borders, you just need to go ahead and make sure to disable that, and that should be able to fix the issue all at once. So these are some of the ways to fix yellow border in your Windows 11. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.